Take your generated creations from good to extraordinary by mastering Higgsfield's intuitive drawing tools. First, let's dive into selecting the right brush. Higgsfield offers a variety of brush types, from soft and blending to sharp and define. Experiment to find the one that suits your artistic goal. Need to isolate a particular element or fix a minor flaw? Use the selection tools to precisely define the area you want to modify. This ensures your edits are targeted and clean. Now, for the magic. With our brush selected and the area defined, we can begin refining here. I'm using a soft brush to gently smooth out a small area, bringing a more polished feel to the AAS generation. But it's not just about corrections. Let's add a personal touch. By selecting a brighter color and a slightly firmer brush, we can introduce highlights, adding depth and life to the eyes, making the subject feel more alive and your vision more apparent. You can also use these same drawing tools to add unique artistic flair to the entire scene. I'm now applying a gentle gradient to the background, infusing the image with a completely new atmosphere and demonstrating the transformative power of your own artistic input. With these simple yet powerful drawing tools, you have the ability to not just edit, but truly elevate your generated art, making each piece uniquely yours.